Welcome to Ulazai. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to go from a single prompt to a finished multi-scene video using V2 CineFlow. We will generate an image, convert it to video with VEO3 fast, and then stitch scenes with character consistency. Let's start. We will go to Create, then Dashboard. We will have a prompt prepped. You can select what aspect ratio you want, and you can select different styles. But for now, we got a pretty good prompt, so let's generate the image. All right, the image is done. Let's look what we have created. Pretty cool logo. The generation of the image could take sometimes to 1 or 2 minutes. So let's go to create, let's download the image, and then we are going into videos, VEO3, image to video. We're going to grab our newly generated image, and we have a prompt set up. Let's grab that prompt as well. Enter your prompt, select an aspect ratio. We got another option. You could select premium content creator. With this option, the generation will be 200 credits extra, but you could generate talking baby videos or talking animated characters and even try celebrity style content. When the generation fails, you will get your credits back. When the generation is done, but the output isn't as you like, then the credits won't be refunded. After that, you can add a watermark plus ai.com and let's generate the video. So when the video isn't showing up, just check status and you will see that the video
Okay, so the plate
is done.
plates
Let's
always
play
go
it.
on the bottom rack, facing the center. We want to maximize the spray and get them sparkling clean.
Nice. We can prepare the second scene, and you will see that the last system of the CineFlow will keep the characters consistent. So in this video, we're going to open up the settings again and add a watermark as well and generate the video. The video is being generated, so I will just show you where the cancel button is. On top of the screen, you can cancel the project and you will see how much you're going to be charged and how much credit you've used so far. So for now, we're going to keep this project. Let's look at the project and the video is done.
Look at that. Perfectly folded, just like you showed me. Who knew laundry could be so satisfying?
So he's going from the dishes to the laundry. Let's approve and continue. And then the video will be merged together. Let's wait for the merging. Let's open up the details.
Okay,
and
so
the video is done.
Plates always go on the bottom rack, facing the center. We want to maximize the spray and get
a nice little branding in the corner. You can even share it to the prompt directory. Use AI, just select a category. It's going to be a fantasy, ulazai.com. And we're gonna use our Twitter handle like this, share to the community. Let's look at the prompt directory. And the video is on the prompt directory. You will see the description and the main prompt. And let's go to the directory. Currently, we are almost approaching 600 prompts in the directory. And you can search for products. And then let's see, we got some amazing prompts and videos in here. And you can just copy the prompt or just generate immediately your own. Ready to try it out? Create a free project at ulazai.com. If you want our team to set up your pipeline end-to-end, check the link below. See you inside Ulazai.